हेलो दोस्तों। सो वेलकम टू डेटा लर्नर्स। आज हम जानेंगे कि कौन से कंसेप्ट और टॉपिक्स पे हमें ज़्यादा फोकस करना है टू बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन इन एसक्यूएल फ्रॉम बिगिनर्स टू एडवांस लेवल। सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू गो विद द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द डेटाबेस एंड एसक्यूएल कि डेटाबेस क्या होता है, एसक्यूएल क्या है, कौन से बेसिक सिंटैक्स एंड एसक्यूएल का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है, उसके बारे में जानना चाहिए आपको। दूसरा, डेटा रिट्राइवल। सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हम यूज करते हैं डेटा फेचिंग के लिए फ्रॉम द टेबल। फिल्टरिंग के लिए हम यूज करते हैं वेयर क्लॉज। फॉर सॉर्टिंग डेटा वी यूज ऑर्डर बाय क्लॉज। एंड लिमिटिंग और पेजिंग रिजल्ट के लिए हम करते हैं लिमिट और ऑफसेट। फिर उसके बाद होता है डेटा मैनिपुलेशन। डेटा मैनिपुलेशन हम यूज करते हैं टू मैनिपुलेट द डेटा, लाइक टेबल में नया रो इंसर्ट करना हो, अपडेट करना हो, डिलीट करना हो। ये सब हम डेटा मैनिपुलेशन की मदद से कर सकते हैं, like adding, modifying, and deleting the records. The fourth one is data types. So understanding the various type of data that we will deal or we are dealing with, the varchar, int, and table. The fifth one is table operations. So which kind of operations we can perform on table? किस प्रकार के operations हम अपने टेबल पे परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। टेबल बनाने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं क्रिएट टेबल। उस टेबल को, एग्जिस्टिंग टेबल को चेंजेस करने के लिए, उसमें चेंजेस करने के लिए, लाइक अपडेट और समथिंग, वी यूज अल्टर टेबल। टेबल को डिलीट करने के लिए वी यूज ड्रॉप टेबल। इंटरमीडिएट लेवल के लिए, लाइक सिक्स्थ वन इज जॉइंट्स. So we have to understand and learn different kinds of joints that we can perform in SQL. Inner join, left join, right join, full join, that used to join multiple table and perform operations on top of that table based on the business requirement. The seventh one is aggregation functions. So need to learn what different kind of aggregation functions are there. Sum, count, average, mean, max. Using group by for aggregation functions. What is a group by? And we use group by for aggregation functions. And we can filter the aggregate data with the using having clause. So there is should you should understand the difference between where clause and having clause. Then eighth one is subquery. Writing and understanding the subquery, what different kinds of subquery, nested subquery, correlated subquery. Nova hai index. Understanding index type, their impact on a query performance, creating and managing index. The 10th one is view. So we have to learn about how to use and create a view, advantages and the use cases of a views. उसके बाद आता है 11th is store procedure and the functions. We need to learn how to create and manage store procedure. What are the use cases of store procedure? What are the advantages of a store procedure? And also need to learn about how to write user defined functions. The 12th one is transaction and concurrency. Understand the transaction concept, that is acid property. You have to get understanding of the acid property, how it works, like atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Managing transaction using commit, rollback, save point. The 13th one is a query optimization. Analyzing query execution plan using explain to optimize query. The 14th is a Windows function. Understanding Windows function, what are different types of Windows function, where we can use it, what are difference between each Windows function, the row number, rank, dense rank, and we can do perform complex analysis using Windows functions. The 15th one is advanced join, that is a cross join, self joins, joining techniques for complex scenarios. The 16th one is the performance tuning. Index optimization is also there, query performance optimization, and need to understand the advanced SQL techniques. That is a CD, common table expression, and also the recursive queries, pivot and unpivot operations. What is the difference between CT and views? This is also one of the important questions that most time you will tackle. You have to tackle with that. So, and the 18th one, that is a database security, understanding database security principle and granting and revoking privileges. So, mastering these concepts gradually will provide a strong foundation and expertise in SQL, enabling you to handle the complex data operations and optimize database performance effectively. So, you have to go through all these concepts and topics. Then there could be उसके बाद कुछ है ही नहीं SQL में. Learning these things is enough to become a data engineer or data analyst. So आप इसके बारे में like you can go to the Google and the YouTube videos for that. In future, I will also upload videos on these topics. So stay in touch. Subscribe to my channel to get update about the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.